This is PhoneArena's video review of the LG enV2 VX9100 for Verizon Wireless. The enV2 replaces the enV, which was released in November of 2006 and is available in two color options, black or maroon. The overall styling of the phone has changed, allowing it to be slimmer and more stylish than its predecessor. Located on the front is the numeric dial pad, which now has larger buttons, numbers, and a brighter backlight, allowing for easier dialing. The 5-way D-pad has been replaced with an up, down, and center OK button for menu navigation. The external display is now 160 by 64 pixels and is in landscape mode. Due to its smaller size, it can only be used for certain functions, and unfortunately can be difficult to view while in direct sunlight. Located on the left side is the volume rocker and camera button. Opposite that is a 2.5mm headset jack and microSD slot, which now accepts up to 8GB memory cards. The data port now uses a standardized microUSB jack, allowing for easier connection to a PC. The phone opens up in similar fashion to the Voyager and enV, with a two-stop hinge design. The internal display is now a larger 2.4 inches and retains its 320 by 240 resolution with 262,000 color support. On either side of it are the familiar stereo speakers, which provide about 25% louder volume. One of the main features on the enV2 is the QWERTY keypad. It is more compact than its previous model, but the keys are slightly elongated with larger letters and brighter backlight. This allows for easier typing and text messaging. The main menu now shows 9 shortcuts for ringtones, messaging, recent calls, contacts, Media Center, email, Visa Navigator, mobile IM, and settings and tools. 4 themes are included: Classic, Slick Black, Wall, and Wave. Each one looks slightly different, with the only changes being the color scheme and icons. You can also choose to view the main menu as Grid, Tab, or List. The music player is one area that has not changed and has the same interface that has been used on Verizon phones over the past few years. Its layout is easy to use and can list music based on genres, artists, albums, and playlists. However, since the stereo speakers are next to the internal screen, the music will sound muffled unless you flip the phone open. Once that is done, music quality is relatively good, but does lack any amount of bass. The only way around this is to use a stereo Bluetooth headset or wired earbuds. The 2-megapixel camera is located on the back and has undergone some changes. The camera hump is now gone, providing a more integrated design. But in doing so, the enV2 has also lost the autofocus, flash, and lens cover. We don't mind losing the flash, as the one on the enV was almost unusable, but would like to have kept the autofocus system. The camera menu allows you to make adjustments for resolution, self-timer, white balance, shutter sound, color effects, night mode, save options, light metering, and external display. Outdoor images look almost as good as if they were taken by the enV, with good color saturation and sharp edges. but indoor images are lacking in detail and look out of focus. The reception and call quality are both excellent and have been improved upon. We were able to place and receive calls in most fringe areas where the enV had trouble holding a signal. Call quality through the earpiece speaker was clear and lacked any background noise or interference, but the speakerphone can be problematic if the volume is turned up too high. Overall, we are quite impressed with the improvements that have been made with the enV2. It features a modern, streamlined appearance with less bulk, larger front dial pad, redesigned QWERTY keypad, larger internal display, 2-megapixel camera, stereo speakers, and supports microSD cards up to 8 gigabytes. We highly recommend it for anyone that is looking for a reasonably priced phone with excellent call quality and reception, while also requiring a built-in QWERTY keypad and other useful features. Please visit PhoneArena.com for our full review of the enV2, including pictures and 360-degree rotational views.